There's a man in the corner of the room, and I know he's not real. Doctor tells me it's all in my head. Doctor tells me a lot of things.
How's your arm?
Alright. I don't understand why we have to keep doing these tests.
Don't ask questions you already know the answers to. There's no one left in this world. We're the last two. We're the survivors. These tests are crucial to our survival.
He says I see imaginary people because I want to see them. Perhaps he is right. So much time has been spent with him and only him. I wish to go outside to find others with different personalities, viewpoints. But there is no one left. He is a smart man. He's my only friend and I trust him. They trust him. Every day is the same. I spend most of the time with the doctor. We enjoy both of each other's company. He is my only friend. We play chess for entertainment. He is my teacher as well as my father. We walk together, talk together. Time is lost in the maze that is my mind. I wish it just wasn't such a mess.
Are you ready?
Hold still. This won't be long.
He wants me to be his perfect creation. Between the two of us, there's only one gas mask. Unlike me, he knows the apocalyptic outside world and the dangers it can produce.
Where are you going?
I spotted a supermarket a couple miles from here last time I was out. I'm gonna go see what I can find.
Alright, be careful.
Thank you, 9. I'll be back in about an hour. If I don't come back by chance, stay inside where it's safe.
The rules are simple. I can roam around our home freely. I may do as I please and indulge in my pleasures. The doctor keeps to himself. I do not know much of his past. Whatever he doesn't want me to know is locked away in the closet.
Clones of our parents. We are the reincarnations of a bubbling, oozing orifice on the face of a pubescent teenager. We cover up our insecurities with a smile, but all I see is the blood-stained barbed wire you call braces holding back the rotting bones that pass as teeth. This is why I chose to leave the real world in order to create my own. My secluded world with Patient 9 may be poor, but it is pure. Everybody has a choice. They may not agree with the world I have created, but if I were to let them in, they would see its true potential. Patient 9 is my first successful candidate, but even Patient 9 has his flaws. Patient 9 is my first successful candidate, but even Patient 9 has his flaws. It's surprising how that supermarket still has so much food. It's been such a long time, I'm surprised we're the first to get at it.
Today I saw a dead man in the closet. The closet you told me not to go into.
You know it's off limits to go in there.
You were careless. The door was left open.
Living here can be hard. I know you crave to see other people, but they just don't exist anymore. You're being apocryphal. What you saw is part of your imagination. You're subconsciously projecting what's best described as hallucinations.
Yeah.
9 is not ready to know my secrets. I fear him, yet love him as my creation. I must continue to work on 9 if I am to gain his trust. When I reveal myself to the world, they will marvel at the utopia I have created, and 9 will be the first of many. I shall be studied. I shall be followed. I will be worshipped.
There's a man in the corner of the room, but I know he's not real.
I don't know.
First of many. I shall be studied. I shall be followed. I will be worshipped.
There's a man in the corner of the room, but I know he's not real.
I don't know. I've been here so long I can't remember.
You're living a lie.
You told me you're just a part of my imagination. You aren't real. The body I saw is not real.
You're as mad as him, but I can help you.
I'm not mad. I'm just trying to survive.
Wake up. Let me guide you to your salvation.
Locked.
Come closer. Experiments. We're the foundation of this perfect world.
It's either me or the doctor, isn't it?
This is your fate. You are next.
I can no longer discern what is reality and what is cloaked delusion.
All right, 9. Let's begin.
Or discern what is reality and what is cloaked delusion.
All right, 9. Let's begin.
I crave for life, but now I must take it away. I see now the doctor's vision and I am not a part of it. I am just another flaw waiting to happen. Is a life alone worth living? The doctor is my best friend, and a decision must be made.
I know it's cold, but just hold still. This may hurt. I've removed most nerves from you before, so you shouldn't feel much of a sting.
Where did you find the other bodies?
What are you talking about, 9?
I'm going to eventually die. You kill people because of your sick fascinations. Who are the 3 dead men upstairs?
You were my first successful experiment. I'm not going to.
All you've ever given me was lies.
I've given you a home. Now hold still.
There's a man in the corner of the room, and I know he's real.
these days the sky's gonna break and everything will escape, and I'll